Something just happened in deep space. A telescope orbiting 1,000,000 miles from Earth captured an image so unexpected it's left cosmologists completely stunned. Galaxies are forming far earlier than anyone predicted, and they're not supposed to exist. Not yet. Not like this. Today on Infinite Mind, we explore what the James Webb Space Telescope just found, why it's sending shockwaves through the world of physics, and how one picture may force us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the birth of the universe. The edge of the cosmos may not be where the story begins, but where it unravels. Let's rewind for a second. In 2022, NASA launched JWST, a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, with one mission: to see farther than we've ever seen before. We're talking deep cosmic archaeology, light that's taken over 13 billion years to reach us. So distant, we're essentially watching the baby photos of the universe. Except, those baby photos are a little off. Imagine flipping open your baby album and finding a picture of yourself with a beard and a mortgage. That's kind of what just happened. The James Webb Telescope aimed its golden eyes at a patch of sky known as Sears 93316, a region so faint it looked like pure darkness to other telescopes. But to JWST, it lit up like a fireworks show. Inside it, a galaxy so ancient it appears to have formed just 320 million years after the Big Bang. That might not sound that early, but in cosmic terms, that's like finding a fully grown adult 3 minutes after birth. And it wasn't just one galaxy, it was dozens, well-formed, complex, massive. Some were already spinning with spiral arms. That's not supposed to happen yet. This flies in the face of standard cosmology. According to the Lambda CDM model, our best framework for understanding the universe, galaxies take time to evolve. They're supposed to start messy, disorganized. They take hundreds of millions, even billions of years to settle into structure. But JWST just found them already looking mature. It's like skipping puberty entirely and jumping straight to adulthood. Some scientists are calling it the impossible galaxy problem. Others? They're whispering something deeper. What if the Big Bang isn't what we thought it was? Let's unpack that. The Big Bang theory suggests everything, space, time, matter, exploded from a single point around 13.8 billion years ago. Then the universe cooled, stars formed, galaxies spun into place. Textbook stuff. But what if it's wrong? Or at least incomplete? Some physicists now wonder if the universe had a phase before the Big Bang, something cyclical, a bounce, a reboot. Or maybe the early universe expanded faster and more efficiently than we expected, like a cosmic cheat code for galaxy formation. Either way, the JWST photos demand answers. And here's where things get really spicy. JWST isn't just a camera, it's a time machine. It detects infrared light, which can stretch across the expanding universe and reach us like whispers from the past. So when we say this galaxy is 13.5 billion years old, we're saying the light we're seeing started traveling when Earth didn't even exist, before the Milky Way, before stars, before everything. And somehow, that galaxy was already doing its thing, fully lit, structured, and breaking the rules. So how are scientists reacting? Well, let's just say they're a mix of excited and mildly panicked. Some are questioning the physics. Others are wondering if there's an error in Redshift calculations. That's how we estimate the age and distance of celestial objects. But the majority? They're realizing we may be staring into a chapter of the universe's story we never knew existed. A missing prologue. Or a parallel draft. And the best part? We're just getting started. Let's talk consequences. If these ancient galaxies really are as old and developed as they appear, we might have to rethink everything. how stars formed when galaxies began clustering, whether dark matter played a bigger role than we thought. Some even wonder if we're seeing evidence of a previous universe, one that left its fingerprints on ours before vanishing into the void. Now, we're not just rewriting textbooks, we're questioning reality. And it gets stranger. There's a hypothesis called cosmic variance. The idea that different regions of the universe may follow slightly different rules, different laws of physics, different speeds of time. What if this region JWST photographed isn't like ours? What if it's a pocket of space where the universe evolved faster? Or what if these galaxies aren't actually real at all? Could we be looking at gravitational lensing echoes? A cosmic mirage caused by warped space-time? Or, and here's the wild card, what if this is evidence that we're inside a simulation? The simulation theory isn't just for Reddit anymore. Some scientists, like Oxford's Nick Bostrom, seriously consider the idea that we're inside a highly sophisticated digital cosmos. JWST data challenges the natural evolution of space. Maybe the code is glitching, maybe the devs messed up, or maybe we're seeing background assets load too early. Whatever the case, these galaxies shouldn't be there, but they are, and that means something has to give. So what do we do with this? Do we panic? Do we throw away the Big Bang and start over? Not quite. Science isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions. And right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is asking the best questions in the universe. Where did we come from? What happened before time? And are we alone in this strange, rule-breaking cosmos? Whatever happens next, one thing's for sure. The universe just got a whole lot weirder and infinitely more exciting. So stay curious, keep your mind open, and remember, reality might be far stranger than fiction, especially when space decides to surprise us. Again,